Our whole life is completely changed.
You won't find twinkle lights hanging from the Coney Bear home. It brings back too many painful memories.
He had fallen off of the roof while fixing these Christmas lights.
In 2001, just 2 days before Christmas, this tragic accident took the life of Charles Chuck Coney Bear. And since then, getting through the holiday season hasn't been easy.
Through, 10 years, it still doesn't get any easier to watch my mother struggle with everything. When it did first start to sink in was probably like 6th or 7th grade when I realized that I didn't have a dad.
Nothing is going to help you. I was on every antidepressant. My whole medicine cabinet was nothing but pills. Try this. But at that time, there's nothing that's going to help.
Experts say depression during the holiday season can be common.
Depression and anxiety concerns are pretty common among the students here, and definitely there can be increases of that during the holiday seasons or during the more winter months.
Statistics show that 1 in 6 people will suffer from depression at one point in their lives. For some, the emotional pressures, stress, and dealing with the loss of a loved one can lead to a depression that not even a visit from Santa can fix. If you're feeling down, here are some tips experts say can help lift your spirits. Do your best to get sunlight and exercise. Pass on the eggnog. If you're already feeling depressed, alcohol will just make it worse. Volunteer. It's harder to feel sad if you're busy helping others. Create new traditions. If old traditions bring up unhappy memories, why not try something new? Despite the loss, Janet hopes one day her children will enjoy the season.
I do not want them to hate Christmas. Someday they'll all have families, and I want them to experience like what we experienced.
And finally, if you're feeling depressed, talk to someone you trust or seek professional help if necessary.